Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do unit conversions step by step, no stress, no confusion. By the end of this video you'll be able to convert mass, length, time and volume easily. So if you look, we are given a question here to solve. So let's solve it together. Let's jump right in guys. Pick up your note, your book, your pen and let's solve it together. Question number 1. We are asked to convert 30 milligram per second to kilogram per hour. First, let's understand why we are converting it. Just know mg is milligram, kg, this is the unit, is kilogram, s is second, hr is hours. Once you understand this, conversion will be very easy for you. So let's solve it together. Step 1. The first step, convert milligram to kilogram. We know that 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram and 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So to convert it, we say, so 1 milligram is equal to 1 over 1 million kilogram. Remember, we are converting milligram to kilogram. So you make all what you are doing is for us to be able to convert this milligram to kilogram. So what are we going to do? This kilogram becomes the subject of formula. So we now have 1 over 1 million milligram. So once we have gotten our kilogram, that means we are good to go. Step 1. Now, the second step, now let's convert seconds to hour. We say 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So step 3, put everything together. So we multiply all. That is, you write what you are asked to convert. 30 milligram per second multiplied by kilogram multiplied by conversion to kilogram, that is 1 over 1 million milligram multiplied by conversion of hour. So we have 36 seconds. So from here, this will cancel milligram. Since we are converting kilogram to milligram, so we say 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 milligram. So milligram cancels milligram, seconds will cancel second, then we multiply it. Punch your calculator, answer becomes 1.08 kilogram per hour. So let's solve the second question. The second question, we are asked to convert, that is question 2. We are asked to convert 30 pounds per second to kilogram per minute. So the first step we have to take is for us to convert these pounds to kilogram. Just remember this fact: 1 pound is equal to 0.4536 kilogram. Convert seconds to minutes. So for us to convert seconds to minutes, 1 minute will give us how many seconds? That is 60 seconds. What next? We multiply everything together. 30 pounds per second, that is what we are asked to convert, multiply by 0.4536 kilogram all over 1 pound, multiply by 60 seconds all over 1 minute. This will cancel this, seconds will cancel itself, so we are left with 30 multiplied by 0.4536 kilogram multiplied by 1 over minute. So if we multiply everything together, we have 816.3 kilogram per minute. The third question is convert 15 feet to meter. This one is very simple. Just remember the conversion. 1 feet is equal to 0.3048 meters. So what next? Just multiply it together. We have 15 multiplied by 0.3048 meter, and it will give us 4.572 meter, and that is answer for. So guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with someone who struggles with conversion. See you in the next video. Thank you.